Hello everyone, I am Pei Xin, and today I'm going to showcase my code. This code is for a game where you control a character who must dodge falling cages dropping from the top of the screen. The longer you survive, the harder it gets as the cage falls faster over time. Here are some highlights of the game. You can replay as many times as you like, with your highest score being constantly updated. Choose a character from a selection of animals inspired by the Singapore Zoo, and each character comes with a unique background for a more immersive experience. Now, let me demonstrate the game for you. In this code, I use Python for the code, and here is my code. Thank you, everyone.